All right, number 34. Believe it or not, if you're watching this video, I was actually almost finished making the video before. I was doing this video already. And when I clicked to exit, I clicked this red button by accident because I moved it. And so this is the second attempt at the exact same problem I did earlier. So you see I already had notes done because I was literally finishing up the video. All right, so here we go. I have taken out a loan. I need to borrow $6,800, $6,850 from bank. I can go with bank X or Y at a simple interest loan. So I got a 5-year loan at 3.5%. And so I'm going to use my simple interest equation, which I think is I equals, I call it PRT or PERT. So in this case, we're going to multiply 6,850 times 3.5%. And again, percent, think in Spanish, por cien, out of 100. And really, it's the easiest way to put this. Just put this in decimals. And this is bank X. And then bank Y is going to be the same number, 6,850 times 4.75 over 100 times 3. And so one of these will give you a lower interest rate. It's going to be 3, right? Just then you pay less. The 3-year loan is the better offer. But best way to do is just to use your calculator and get your numbers. So I'm going to do this. And I already worked out every single part of this problem, but I ended up exiting it out of the video instead of finishing it. So yeah, that was, that's how things go. And it shouldn't be 5, it should be what? 3.5, and it shouldn't be 1,000, it should be 100. It just that it's getting really moody. And my fear is that it gets moody during the state test, and I hope not. At 5 years, I'm paying back close to 1,200. I should pay back less with the least number of years, right? Though I'm paying more interest rate. That 4.5%, 3.5% interest really doesn't hurt too much because it's out of 100, not 1,000. I don't know why it keeps going to 1,000, but I'm actually gonna, with the 3-year loan, I'm paying 976. With the 5-year loan, I'm paying 1198. So I will pay less with bank Y, okay? And the difference, right, the less interest overall, I just grab these guys and I subtract them. 1198 minus 976. Notice that I'm not doing anything else. I'm not using the decimals because you can always round up or round down. This is close enough. 222. Look, 222. And that's my answer. Pretty straightforward stuff. Not a super difficult problem to do. Use that calculator, guys. It's there to help you out. So I'm just verifying on my end that there's no tricks on this one question. Yeah, we got the right answer. That's it. Easy stuff.